What's going on, everybody? I'm going to film my car show. Or my car collection, So I want to start up at the front. It's my 2006 Dodge Viper. It's red, black interior. The doors just open up. Oops, my Impala. Shoot. Nice car. Has a V10 engine. If I can open the engine for you guys, it'll let me. I'm hitting my SOS while opening it. So it comes with the V10. I don't know what. I have to practice my liters. I don't know. Viper. What's on the side? Yep. Then over here you got my 19 something Chevrolet Impala. It comes with a V8. It's black interior. It's a nice classic finish American car. Sorry, I covered my finger. And it has a nice trunk space too. I have a sticky note in there. I don't know why. Then introducing a V8 classic engine. Impala. Then coming here, you got an American Muscle 2015 Mustang GT. It's red. You got black interior. Black wheels. It's a 5.0 liter V8 engine. If I can open it, it won't open today, but I don't want to open doors. So, yeah, it might not. That's my Range Rover. I'll show you that later. Then coming over to my 1960s Mustang American Muscle GT. It has a nice black interior. It's green. I got it for Easter. Has spring doors. With a nice twin turbocharged V8. Spring doors. Locking doors. They're locked right now, I think. And over here is my 2003 Rolls-Royce Phantom. It's black, a tan and black interior. Two-tone interior. It's such a nice car. Nice classic look to it. Nice interior. You can see that. Put the back door too. Beautiful car. Also has a nice trunk space too. Really, really nice car. Then in the front, the big hood. Under the huge long hood, you got a V12. What's up, guys? Under this hood, push this button. It comes right up. A really nice V12 engine, producing 650 horsepower. Really fast. Oh, I'm really disrespectful with my cars. It's not rolling. It doesn't really roll back because it's a wind back. Anyway, I'm spending too much time up here. I already spent 4 minutes on each one. So up here, you got a 1995 Corvette Stingray. It's a cream. It's also black. It's a cream white, black interior, V8. I'm gonna move kind of quickly. This is my navy blue, black interior, 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. It's an Italian car. Over here is my British. It's orange. It's a two-tone color of orange and black. Range Rover Discovery SVR, black interior. And over here is my 2005 Infiniti FX45. It's silver, black, gray interior. Or is it black? I don't know. I think it's gray. Then up there is my Mercedes SLS AMG Roadster. It has a red and black interior two-tone. It has the carbon fiber hood, the V8 engine. I think that's a black series too. And over here is my Mercedes SLR McLaren. This car is so nice. It has a hood lock. If the doors open, you can't open the engine hood. Under that is a 600 horsepower, 650 horsepower V8. Open that up for you guys. Look at that supercharged V8. Or twin turbocharged, I think. I don't know. And it's gray, or no, not gray. Sorry about that. Silver with red and black interior. See the red in there. And over here next to it is a Audi R8 V10 Spider. It has tan seats, black interior, two-tone interior. It's chocolate brown. Then over here, black wheels too. It's a really sharp car. A lot of horsepower. And over here is my Audi R8 V10 Plus. It's a newer generation. It's a 2016. There's black. There's black interior. It's metallic gray. And then over here is my 2017 Maserati Levante S. It's my gold one. It's black interior. Got sunroof. Over there is my Levante too. It's the same spec, but just in silver. And over here is my Maserati MC12 race car. This is one of my sickest cars. It's orange, black wheels, you know. I don't really want to touch my cars. It's like I want to make fingerprints, you know. Over here is my 2012 Aston Martin Vanquish. It's blue. Got it in this baby blue color because it looks cool. And you got the black interior. Then over there you got a 2018 Aston Martin DB11. Black interior, blacked out, really cool spec. Then over here is my Christmas tree green 2015 Jaguar XK, and then as white interior. Then over there is my Jaguar F-Type. It's white, black interior. All my cars are black interior. And over here is my Porsche Boxster S. It's in a honey mustard yellow. I don't really like it, but black interior. Nice car. I'll take it. Over here is my Porsche 918 Spider Concept. I love the interior. It's the green stripes with the black. It's metallic gray. Over here is my Porsche 911 Carrera S. Number 1. It's 2009. It's burgundy red with a nice tan interior to touch. Over here is my white 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera S. It's white, black interior. Over here is my Ferrari Enzo, my cherry red Ferrari Enzo, Rossa Corsa I call it. It has red seats with black interior. I'm not gonna open the doors, so I'm lazy. And then, oh Jesus, Louises. I'm crazy today. Over here's my Ferrari F50. It has a V12. It's yellow and black interior. It's yellow on the outside. Over here's my chili red Ferrari 488 GTB. It's a twin turbo V8 engine, black interior. I actually fixed this car. I had to take it apart because the dash kept falling, so I had to fix that. Right next to it is my Rossa Corsa Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. Tan and black interior, like always. Then my Ferrari F430 Rossa Corsa, tan and black interior. Over there is my 2015 McLaren 650S Spider, black interior. It's in a sparkling, beautiful green. Love that color. Black wheels, really nice spec. Over here's my McLaren P1. If I open the doors on this thing, Has door lock. Look at that, baby. Black interior, black wheels, white. Clan P1. Locked it. And over here is my Lamborghini Diablo. It has scissor doors. Oh man. Open the other one. It's an orange V12 engine in the back. White interior. Nice tonight. Really nice spec. Stick shift. Then over here is my 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. It has like a pumpkin tan orange interior. It's nice. It's tan and black interior. Navy blue. Really, really luxurious spec. Over here is my Verde Mantis Lamborghini Huracan. Black interior. Over there is my red and black interior Lamborghini Gallardo. That's white. Over here is my Aramio Angaris. I can't pronounce it, but it's the color. It's a Lamborghini Aventador. It has it's like a YouTuber's spec car. It's some YouTubers. Anyway, exactly it. It's got the orange and black interior. The nice scissor doors that come out at an angle a little bit. And over here is the silver Lamborghini Diablo. The back axle, something going on with it. It's like once I fix it, it just pops right back out. I don't know, that scissor doors, black interior. Over here is probably one of my favorites. It's a V12 Lamborghini. That was a V12 too. This was too, and that one's too. Anyway, that's a V10 over there. This is a V12 Lamborghini orange Lamborghini Murcielago coupe. It's black interior. It's so nice. Love that car. And then you got my Pagani Huayra. It has going doors. One of the doors broke because once I opened it for the first time, I broke the door because I gave a little too much force. Two-tone colors, red and black. Nice dark interior, so nice. Then over there is my Pagani Zonda F. It's in orange. It's such a nice car. It's black interior. And that car is in a really rare spec, so yeah. I'll show you the Skill 19 cars in a second. Anyway, come back here is my cramped Lotus Elise. It's yellow. The nice 4-cylinder under that. With a black and silver interior. It's nice. And this is a 2003 Ford F-150. You see him holding to the nice red color. This is yellow. This is a nice red color. It's like almost like a Ferrari red. It's like uglier, but anyway, got a nice gray truck bed. The tailgate does open. That's what I love about this truck. Snow globe because it's Christmas time. The inside has gray and black interior. Anyway, I don't want that getting scratched because it's in a tight spot, so mirrors are in. And over here you got the Godzilla, the Nissan GTR, as black and blue. Removable wing, I feel like removing it. Black interior. Over here is my BMW Z4. It's in silver. It's like a gray and silver interior. V6 under that. This thing's a twin turbocharged V6. It's like upgraded though. It's like 2,000 horsepower. Over here is my Lycan Hypersport, Fast and Furious edition. Black interior. Doors are insane on this car. I can't open them all the way because you get the concept, you know. Black interior, red, so nice. The wing always has to be up, guys. Yeah. Over here is my Ford F-150 Raptor. It's in the blue. Tailgate does open. Only opens a little though. Oh, it's not locked. And the V6 under that too. That's the V6, twin turbocharged V6. Then over here is my Mercedes 6x6. It's in gold. That's an even blue. It's in gold. The tan tailgate. It's not really a tailgate. Anyway, we got black interior. This thing has like 825 horse. No, it's like 500 horsepower. V8. Over here is, I'll go from there. My clone fell out of my 6x6. Is my Chevrolet Tahoe. Oh, it has 2004. I call it Tahoe because it looks like one. Yeah, it's nice. It fits a lot of stuff too in the back here. It's supposed to fit bikes back there, but I just put some crap back there, you know. And over here is my Hess 1994 towing truck, or like fire truck. I call it towing truck. This ladder actually comes out pretty far, extends pretty far. You know, nice truck. Now I'm going to go into the scale 118 cars. Starting off with the Hummer H3. This is my first Hummer. I think this is my second. It's very, very dirty, as you can see. I haven't washed it in like a long time. Gray interior, door's broken. I gotta fix it. Easily. And over here is my 2013 Ferrari LaFerrari V12, 900 horsepower, with the red seats and black interior. Cherry red Rosso Corsa. And then coming up here, we got my 2006 first generation Lamborghini Gallardo. It's an Gallardo Spider, E-gear transmission, Spider, white and black interior, burgundy. This is the car to go for, man. The car to go for weekends and sunny days. Anyway, moving up. This car is pretty insane. It's my 2000. Anyway, that's a 2017 Bugatti Chiron, navy blue with poverty blue two-tone color. Chiron, 1500 horsepower, tan and carbon fiber interior.
There's a sock in his mouth.
Now we're gonna ignore them. They're just they're just having fun. We got my 2019 Lamborghini Urus, yellow, black interior. This is such a nice car. I use this car for a daily under that engine, or under that hood, I meant. Is a twin turbocharged V8. Boy, that's fast. It's like, I don't know, 500 horsepower. Over here is my metallic gray American Muscle Chevrolet Camaro 50th anniversary. This black interior. It's such a nice car. Orange stripes down it because it's the 50th anniversary. And lastly, this car is very special. Yeah, it's so cool. My Lamborghini Centenario. I gotta say it in Italian way. And then, got metallic gray, Centenario. With the scissor doors. I know this is funny to you guys. And then black interior. I'm trying to act funny anyway. V12. And lastly, that's not all my car collection. That's just some. It's like half of it, but I got a lot more over there. That's another day. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Carboy Helix Supercars 101. No spaces, no caps. And peace out.